Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, so today we are doing all about savings challenges. I am rebooting my savings challenges of what I'm going to start with because, as you guys know, I am restarting my budgeting journey because everything has pretty much changed since we got the house. So I have been trying to get everything pretty much done and trying to work on this budget to get it to where it needs to be. So if that is something that you want to check out, or if you're restarting your budget and you want to see what I'm doing about my savings challenges, please stay tuned. All right guys, so I know we were doing budgeting, so I'm just going to interrupt this for right now because I need you guys' opinion. This is serious. So the press-on nails are okay. They don't stay on as good. So I'm missing doing my gel nails. I did it as a business expense because I use it, my hands for my YouTube. Okay, so this is the dilemma, and I need you guys' opinion for this because, okay, so the nail shop that I I loved it. She did a wonderful job, but the only thing is where we moved at, it's way across town, and I work close to my house now, so, and there's a bunch of nail shops up here. So what would you guys do? Would you just try to find something closer and see if you can find someone as good, or would you just head over there and just go ahead and, I don't know, because usually it takes about, like, by the time you finish everything, you guys know how nails can be when you're doing your nails. It can take about an hour or maybe 2 hours to get it done. So let me know in the comments, what would you do? Would you just try to find something locally? Because basically I'll have to use gas and then time, and then by the time I get back home, it'll be super late. So decisions. Okay, let's go ahead and get back into this cash stuffing video, y'all. So for my savings challenges, when I was doing the housing thing, I took everything out of my savings challenges that I had stuffed, except for my 52 weeks. I ended up putting that all in my savings because, like I told you guys, I wanted to make sure my assets were showing a lot more, because you want to, make sure you prove to them that you can pay your mortgage. So that helps. So that's why I did that. So I'm basically pretty much starting back over. So I have a few that I am going to actually be trying to do. I don't want to do too many because I don't want to be overwhelmed. So if you are just pretty much just starting off with savings challenges, even if you only have like a couple dollars or whatnot, and if you don't have the cash to start your savings challenges, don't feel like you're not succeeding or you're not doing anything, because savings challenges, it took me a little bit to start doing them. You have to be able to figure out how much money you have left. And I do have some extra money in my wallet that I did for my unstuffing that I didn't add to this, so that will be another video or another Instagram or TikTok reel or a short that I would do to stuff that cash there. But this right here, if you are moving or if you need to just declutter, selling things from your closet or things that you do not need on the Facebook Marketplace is gold. So make sure, just because another man's junk is another man or woman's treasure, right? So let's call it like that. All right, so we are going to be stuffing $243 for this time, and this is going to be nothing but my savings challenges. So this is going to be the savings challenges that I'm going to be start doing. Now for my 50 envelopes, y'all, I'm only going to do one box because, like I said, the bills are a little bit more. So like I said, I have to play around, and I kind of feel like pretty much restarting. All right, so all right, let's go ahead and count. I'm going to open up my coin my tray, and I think I am going to add some of these to my shop. I asked you guys, and you guys been messaging me, so I'll probably just bling it out for you and have them available in my shop. So I'm going to try a couple and post them there, and I will let you guys know when I have them so they can be blinged out. And yeah, because I know people say, well, I know I can get it, but I want it like yours, so I'll try to make them like the one I have. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. All right, so we got 243, just like we counted. Y'all, the rain stopped. That's a good thing. That's a plus. Just want to let you guys know. Yeah, so it stopped. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is my 52 weeks. And we are going to be, let me see, I'm going to look in my book here and see what we have, where I'm at. Y'all, this starting over is a little bit, it's a little hard. All right, so we are actually going to be doing week 22, 23, and week 24. So we got 22, 23, and 24. All right, so let's go ahead. And so we're going to do $23. So we're going to do a 20, 1, 2, 3. So I got 20, 21, 22, 23. And I know a lot of people say your 52 weeks is off. It's just that instead of doing week 22 for $22, I added extra dollars, so that'll give you a little bump at the end of this challenge, so you'll have like at least $50 extra. So that's why that looks like that. All right, so we're doing $23, so we got 24, my bad. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, and when you first start your challenges, just start small, because like if you have a lot going on, you're gonna be super overwhelmed. All right, so we're gonna do $25, so we're just gonna do a 20 and a 5. All right, so we got 20 and a 5, and y'all, that is super simple. That is it for this challenge. Yeah, these challenges are super simple. I know people say, why do you do it all like that? Because I have to save in fun ways. I like colorful things, I like cute things, and this helps me save, and I like to see it fill up, so it's like a challenge. So that pretty much motivates me to be like, yo, I'm gonna finish this thing. I got this many left. I'm gonna save every dollar that I have, and I am going to actually be filling that up. All right, so I am gonna I have a bunch of change here. I'm gonna flip the script on you, and I need to get rid of this. So we are going to just take these off real quick. And my 𝗗𝗘s, I need to roll those. I did a video on rolling coin, and I got like a good response on that, and I was like, you guys like me rolling coins? I like rolling it. It's not, I know people like, girl, if you don't get a coin counter, but I actually like rolling coin. It's like, what do you want to call it? Therapeutic? Is that right? Therapeutic. So that's why I don't mind rolling coins. So this is just coin that I had left over from my everyday cash spending envelope. So that is also a benefit of me having my cash wallet and using cash, because I get to use the coins. And y'all, these coins add up. I be paying stuff with this or putting it in my savings, so y'all don't be sleeping on no coins, right? I don't know coins. Okay, all right, so we got pennies, that goes here. We got nickels, that goes here. We have 𝗗𝗘s, that goes here. Those are heavy, my goodness. Then we have dimes. All right, that was super quick. Ain't hurt nobody. We good. Let's move over to the next thing. All right, so next we're gonna do our 50 envelopes. So y'all remember I had 2 boxes of these. I'm just gonna start off with one, because like I said, I am not sure how this stuff is gonna go. So I am gonna get one marker. I'm gonna choose, I guess I'll use pink, because we are using a pink box. All right, so we are actually going to be, y'all, and y'all hear Aiden in the background. He is, I don't know what he got going on. He's always in the background. Have you noticed that in all of my videos, he's always in the background, right? He's building Legos. Okay, so we're going to do envelope number 40. So that is going to be, and this time I'm going to try to cross in my box, or color in my box first before I put the money in, because y'all, I be skipping over this part sometimes. All right, so we're gonna do 40. So we're gonna do 2 20s. So this is pretty much easy. The card matches the box. The labels on the envelope matches each envelope 1 through 50. So all you do is basically, if you pick number 40, and people ask me how I figure out which box, I just go by what I have left over from my cash envelopes, or if I sell things like on the Facebook Marketplace, I just use whatever I have left and how it figures out and even out. So that's how I do that. So I don't make it complicated, but I just try to make it easy. Okay, so we got 40. That's the envelope we need. So, and I just basically, because I like to see it like stick up a little bit, so I just do it like leave a little bit at the bottom. So we are doing $40. So all you do is just basically put this back in here. All right, so next we're gonna do, let's do $30. So we're gonna do that. So we're gonna do 3 10s. So 10, 20, 30. And we're gonna do that the same way. Oops, okay. And then we're gonna put 30 back in here. All right, next we're gonna do plain old dollar. So, I said I was gonna do the envelope first, messing up. That's how I was slipping up last time I was doing this thing. All right, so we're gonna do $1. This is an easy one. So we'll go ahead and get that one out the way. All right, so next we have, what are we doing next? We're doing $2. So we're actually just gonna do a $2 bill. All right, so just, these things are crazy crispy, right? So we're gonna look for envelope 2. So yeah, and I don't even mind like Aiden making noise in the background because he's like just happy with the new house. So I am happy too. If he's happy, I'm happy. So we got, we're gonna do $8. So did he just say no, you know? I know I did not. Y'all, Aiden be reaching. All right, so we got 2, 4, 6, 8. All right, so we got $8. All right, so we're gonna do envelope number 8. All right, so we have that. So let's put that back. All right, so next, I think that's all we're gonna do for this one. So we're doing, yeah, we're pretty much finished with the 50 envelope. That's all I'm gonna do for that. Like I said, I'm not trying to do too much with it because I don't want to get overwhelmed. Because sometimes if you have too many savings challenges, you get overwhelmed. You just pretty much give up. So I'm going to put pink on here so we'll know it's the pink box. All right, and we are done with this. All right. Okay. All right, so next I'm going to do a vacation envelope. Because this time we have vacation, I wasn't really, I guess, not prepared because of the house stuff. I just wasn't, honestly, I wasn't really prepared as what I was the vacation before, which was a lot more easier. So I am going to actually start me a little vacation envelope and not envelope, well, wallet. So these just have the clear divider. So I'm going to pick from here and see which ones I'm actually going to use. And this right here, when you're like trying to pick things, I just feel like you just pick the things that you know that you spend, because your spending of different things for vacation will be different than what mine's is. So it's not going to actually be the same. I think I'm going to do vacation, just vacation in general, just to pay for, like, this is like room, like condo, or if you get like a hotel or something like that. I was supposed to say motel, boatel, I don't know. I was couldn't find the words. Okay, so the next one I probably will do gas, because gas is a big expense when you're traveling. So we'll go ahead, make sure I do the next one. That's right. So we'll do gas for that. And I'm trying to think of categories that I'm actually going to use and that's going to be beneficial for me saving. And then we're going to do shopping, because who doesn't like to go on vacation and go shopping? I know the outlets are pretty nice. You can find some nice deals. And then I'll do dining out, because dining out is a big, huge one, because you can spend so much money. But when you go on vacation, you do not want to be down there eating McDonald's or eating Arby's, the same thing you have like back at home. So I don't know. I guess if you want to just run out quick and get some, but I honestly, if I go like, out of town, I really don't want to be just eating out the normal stuff that we have here. Y'all, I didn't put vacation all sideways. All right, I didn't put vacation all sideways, so let me try this one more time. All right, there we go. All right, so we're gonna actually add to this, and then this is just gonna be my vacation binder. And then actually, if I go on vacation, I might just pretty much Some of the cash, I know a lot of the cash I will put into the bank and use my debit card, but the cash for like some of the things that we can use just for like dining out and shopping and stuff like that, I probably will just basically pull this wallet out and just take it with me. That's probably exactly what I'll do. Okay, so vacation, we're going to do $40 for just vacation. So we're going to actually do 2 20s. And we are just going to, that's so weird. We're not putting it in an envelope. We're just going to put it like this. Isn't that weird, y'all? All right, so for gas, because gas will eat you up. So we're going to do 120. Yeah, gas, even though the gas went down, you still, I'm appreciative that the gas did go down for this last vacation, but gas is still expensive. So shopping, we're going to do $15. Like I said, who doesn't like to hit the outlets, find a nice purse? So I probably have to do like a sinking funds for a purse. All right, and then dining out, we are going to do $15. 10, 15, guys, and it looks like we are good. Oh, let me put this divider here. I'm getting too happy. All right, so we're going to do it just like that, and it should line up. Yup. And we're just going to put it in there like so. And then I'm just going to do just like, you can do bill exchange to make sure it doesn't get too big, but yeah. So this is just going to be my vacation binder, well, wallet. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. Do y'all hear him? He says, are you done? He can't wait until I finish my video. I told him, I was like, just give me like 10 15 minutes. I just got to get this video done because I got to get my savings challenge done. So yeah, so if you have not already hopped over to my Instagram, and my Pink Cloth Life is called A Pink Cloth Life. If you have not hopped over to my TikTok, so not my Instagram, and my Pink Cloth Life is my TikTok, and my Instagram, that's what I meant to say. All right, so thank you guys so much for chilling with me through this video, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, share. And I am behind on the comments, so I will answer those. As soon as I'm done this, I'm going to go answer them and reply to them. So I'm on it. All right, guys. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.